Hello, welcome to the English class. Today we are going to talk about simple past with irregular verbs. Remember, we use the simple past to talk about an action start and finished in the past. For example, Edna plays soccer in the park. Christian lost his toys. Do you know what are the grammar structures in simple past? No? Don't worry. Now you can watch the three grammar structures: affirmative, negative, and in question. In affirmative is subject plus verb in past plus complement. Please don't forget the period at the end of the sentence. Now, negative. Subject plus auxiliary did not or didn't plus verb in simple present plus complement. Now, if you use did not or didn't, both structures are correct. Okay? Now, the last question and is did plus subject plus verb in simple present plus complement plus question mark. Now, this is important. Don't forget that in negative and in question, we use the verb in simple present. Why is this? It's very easy. Because we use the auxiliary did, and this auxiliary is in past. How could you see the regular verbs at the end of the verb ed? For example, play, played, listen, listened, work, worked, study, studied. Remember, the regular verb have 5 spelling rules. Now, you can see some examples about the rules. In the regular verbs, we have 2 rules. The first is very easy because the verbs don't change in base form. For example, in present is put and in simple past is the same, put. Other example is could. In simple past is the same, could. Now, the second rule is different spelling from the base form. For example, in simple present is go and in past change to went. Other example is in present eat, in simple past ate, dig in present and dug in past, come in present and came in past. Now you can see some examples about irregular verbs. Don't worry, start to memorize the verbs that you usually use. Now you can start